Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A3 headlight bulb. First, ensure your car is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. This ensures your safety throughout the process. Next, gather your tools, including a Torx bit set, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Having everything ready saves time and effort. Now, open your car's hood to locate the headlight assembly. You'll need to gain better access to the rear of the headlight. Begin by turning your wheel to one side for easier access to the wheel well. Remove several Torx screws that secure the wheel arch liner. Once these are out, carefully pull back the liner to create enough space to reach the bulb housing. With access gained, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, unclip the retaining spring that holds the bulb in place and carefully pull out the faulty bulb. Now, take your new H7 bulb. Remember to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's correctly oriented in the housing. To finish, secure the new bulb by re-engaging the retaining spring and reconnect the electrical plug. Carefully push the wheel arch liner back into place and reinsert all the Torx screws you removed earlier. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This ensures everything is properly secured and functioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.